Howdy, my name is Billy. I'm one of the librarians here at Lone Star North Harris Library. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make stamps. There are a lot of different ways to make stamps. You can make them out of potatoes, you can make them out of sponges, you can make them out of rubber erasers. But today I'm going to show you my favorite way, and that's to make them out of styrofoam. So you're going to need a few things before you get started. You'll need some styrofoam. You can use old takeout containers, styrofoam plates, any sort of styrofoam, just so long as it's the thin type of styrofoam like you find with takeout containers or styrofoam plates. You'll need a pair of scissors, so we'll need those to cut our styrofoam. You'll need some water-based markers, so things like Sharpies and magic markers, they will not work for this. Most children's markers that you get on the children's aisle, they're water-based, and so they should work really well with this. You'll need a wooden pencil. We'll use this to etch our stamps in just a few seconds. And you'll also need some paper to stamp your stamp on. So the first step in this is to trim out a little square for our stamp from the styrofoam. Now, you can make this stamp into any shape you like, but for right now, I'm just going to make it into a square. So next, you're going to take your pencil and you're going to etch a design into the stamp. Once you have your design on your styrofoam, you're going to take your markers and you're going to color your stamp how you want it. Next, take your stamp and put it down on paper where you want it. You have to press kind of hard while you're doing this. You can usually get one or two good stamps before you have to re-ink the stamp. Remember, if you're putting text on here, you have to do it backwards. So that's just quickly how to make some different stamps out of styrofoam. Have fun!